Hello, I'm Umang Tuladar and I recently completed my graduate program in Industrial and Systems Engineering from Oakland University. I'm currently working as a program ergonomist at General Motors. In simple words, my job is to make sure that the team members who assemble the vehicle can do their job safely. We use several tools and gauges to analyze a job. However, to talk specifically about Siemens digital industry software, we use Teamcenter, Process Simulate, Human, and Technomatics Jack. We use Technomatics Jack to perform static simulations for posture, reach, vision, clearance, and strength at various stages of product development and manufacturing. I came to know about Industry 4.0 and Siemens digital industry products at Oakland University. However, I gained more knowledge about these topics by attending various seminars and conferences such as Realize Live, Manufacturing in USA, and Plant Simulation. As I worked on completing my graduate degree, I had the opportunity to work on various projects that was involving the Industry 4.0 concepts and Siemens PLM softwares. First, I will talk about the ergonomics project using Jack. As a part of ISE 5463 PLM ergonomics course, our team had developed a simple dynamic simulation to demonstrate the effects of increase in horizontal distance from the core of the body when lifting an object repetitively. The job simulated is in a packaging station where a human operator had to pick up and transfer heavy objects from a conveyor to packaging table. The analysis of the simulation gave a comparison of effects on lower back compression forces in different scenarios. First was when the object is closer to the core of the body, and second, when the object is farther away from the core. Next is a project using plant simulation. This was a part of ISE 5900 Discrete Event Systems course. The objective of the project was to study the existing line of conveyor system and capture several key aspects of the same automation line. Then we had to establish a working logical model that matches the existing actual model. And finally, we had to make modifications to the existing model and explore capabilities of plant simulation software. Modifications that were made to the simulation model included changing the behavior of the system using SimTalk, as well as addition of new conveyor lines, quality testing station, and a shipping station. If you want to get more details about the simulation model, I have published an article in Automotive Excellence magazine by ASQ Automotive Division. You can also refer to the videos I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. Finally, I will talk about the project using Process Simulate. As a part of my final year project, I built a digital twin of a Power Cube reconfigurable robot, a 5-axis modular robot having a single prismatic base axis and 4 revolute axis. After taking dimensions of the robot, all the components of the robot were modeled in a CAD software. Then the components were assembled in the same CAD software. Once the model was ready, it was imported into Process Simulate, and kinematics were defined to create a true digital twin of the robot. The digital twin will now be incorporated into ISE 4422 Robotics System course, where students will be able to create their own digital twin of the cube robot. I had different experience while learning different Siemens PLM softwares. Personally, learning Jack was very easy for me with all the resources that was provided by my faculty. However, software such as NX, Plant Simulation, and Process Simulate had a learning curve associated with it. Having said that, Siemens has compiled a good amount of resources available online to learn this software. I personally spent a lot of time doing trainings available in PLM Learning Advantage. Among all the Siemens software I have used, Plant simulation has been my favorite for its flexibility and versatility. One can spend a few hours to several months on same simulation model depending on the level of details the customer wants. Finally, I would like to thank Oakland University, Siemens, and General Motors for all the opportunity they have provided me to work on my goal towards becoming a digital industry expert.